So we're in the middle of Pinellas Park, which is a little suburb 10 minutes north of St. Petersburg.
Today, we're actually gonna meet my clients, Jackie and John. They are expecting, the family is growing, and they've been planning to build their dream home for almost 2 years now. I need to get an idea of what the needs are gonna be for you guys.
I like a big porch. We definitely want to put a fence all the way around the property.
For me, being a chef, I do have plans for a garden for the future and where I can use my fresh ingredients.
That's telling me that the kitchen's pretty important for you.
Yes.
So as far as exteriors, the Spanish style is very popular in Florida, so I wanted to show you this house. How about this back deck, but for the front of the home?
Oh yeah, I really like this porch. I don't think we could ask for a better example of what we want for the front.
What do you think of the front entryway of this home?
You can walk straight through the house. I love it.
Why don't we take a look at the master suite?
Oh, very
Very
nice.
nice.
Very spacious. We definitely like the fans.
Definitely a must. As far as the master bath, I want the toilet to be in its own completely separate room.
Let's move on to the kitchen, because I know that's gonna be one of the most important rooms.
One thing I'm not really a fan of is it's not in full view of the living area.
That's a good point. Man, John is very specific on what he wants in his kitchen.
I would much rather have the stove and range on the island. These handles on the cabinets are an absolute no-go. These grout lines become increasingly difficult to clean as time goes on.
So the pressure is definitely on, but I'm up for the challenge.
Look how small the house is.
Oh, yeah.
Tiny.
Yes, it is.
5 of them in there?
They have a new addition to the family. We need to get this thing done quickly.
Well, we cannot wait to show you what we came up with. You mentioned you want maybe a garden down the road. So we want to situate this on the lot a little bit offset, so this right side of the house here has plenty of side yard and green space for that garden, for the kids, for the dogs. Maybe some outdoor dining here, like a cool sitting area here.
Yay! From the entryway, you have your kitchen right here to the right. So John, when you're in there doing your magic, you can see everything that's going on with the family.
100 days cannot come fast enough.
Today is the day we're gonna be breaking ground. Grab a shovel, let's do it.
Today I'm gonna be meeting with Jackie and John at the Design Center. Why don't we look at maybe cabinets? That might help you guys decide on countertop.
I'm kind of digging on the darker color.
Then espresso it is.
We also need to think about hardware, so why don't we take a quick look?
Gotta be something big enough for me to get this big old bear paw into.
This one seems pretty big.
You wanna give it a test? Ooh, I see all the fingers going through. Let's talk about this countertop again, because there are a lot of choices. This one definitely has more of a natural raw look to it.
I like that it's light, and then it's got the little pops of dark to tie in with the cabinet.
I think we've come to a decision.
So I do think, we need to look at some things for landscaping.
We know down the road he's planning for a garden, but we want to expedite that just a little bit, maybe surprise him with something cool. Bell pepper
Yes.
would be good. Definitely tomatoes.
They're definitely essential, that's right. What if we did like some herbs, but instead of having that outside, what if we did it inside?
So like some living walls in the kitchen?
If you plant it, it will grow. So these herb boxes are a really cool way to not only add some color, but they're functional. The nice thing too for convenience, it's low maintenance because they are self-watering. So anybody can do this, anybody can keep these herbs alive.
It's day 100. Let me get the top one.
Oh boy, you got it?
We've been working and hustling all the final details, and the house is almost done.
Here we are, look, it's our road. Oh my gosh.
Here they come.
Oh, we're here, we're here.
It's absolutely breathtaking to see where it was to where it is now.
You wanted that massive front porch.
This thing is definitely gonna function as extra living space, extra dining space.
I think it's amazing.
Deep breath, you ready?
I am.
Welcome home.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Did you see that?
No. Oh my God.
Are those cool or what?
A living wall? Those are awesome.
My heart stopped when I walked in and saw the kitchen. The living walls really blew my mind.
Oh my God. Penny's room. Oh, honey.
This space is gonna be great for her now when she's a baby, but it's also big enough to have her growing up.
Oh my gosh, John is going to love this.
Wow.
Look at the pretty princess room. In a vanity, she's gonna love it.
They have privacy on the other end of the house. They have their own bathroom, their own bedroom.
This will give us all the space that we need. Oh my God. You know, when you see things on paper, you don't realize how big they'll be in real life. So I'm very happy that this room turned out to be as big as it is.
Check out the fans.
Awesome.
Oh, I dig it.
How about the his and her
Oh my
vanities
gosh,
here?
I needed this. When we walked into that room, I almost fell on the floor. Getting our private master suite. It's just gorgeous.
Okay, watch your step.
Look at how cute this is, the little garden.
That's nice.
Tomatoes.
Yeah.
This is life-changing with the layout and the kitchen and having the privacy that we all need with our growing family.
What do you think? Oh, how soft is that?
It's just a dream come true.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
To our new home.